that's neat. To my surprise, this thing came out really close for me. Literally just saw it coming out of here like out of nowhere. Popped down. But look what I have. I'm close to this pipe where it's like graffiti nice. Nice. No, I'm really curious. What else I could find here? Oh, this is not eerie at all. It's a tunnel that obviously when the storm hits, all that water rushes down here onto the coast. This is interesting stuff. I didn't think this was here, but and that over there is the White Point Beach landslide that happened back in November of 2011. I don't know why the rocks look like that, but probably things they threw from inland to you know, here to create more rock. Maybe there's a bunch of these shells everywhere, and there it is. Parts of the remnants of that landslide that happened back in 2011, but actually not only 2011, this happened many times throughout time, and these hills here are very unstable. Extremely unstable. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I'm risking myself, to be honest. That dirt right there is at any time it's gonna collapse down like it did not long ago, probably 2022 I believe. You can tell the remnants there of the dirt of the last landslide that happened in 2022. I found something very interesting though, fragile, but I keep seeing this. I don't know what this is, but there's a lot of this in the dirt. See, could it be that there's actually oil under these rocks? See all that? It's like there was probably oil down here. There's a deposit of petroleum, you know, crude oil. It's like, because they're so tough that it could get really hard under the rock, like shell oil maybe. I don't know, but it looks like oil to me. See, there's more right here. Oh, that was a big wave. There's a bunch of it. It's like there was probably this line of kind of oily rock shell or something, because that's from the bottom. I could be wrong, but it's coming from all the rock. You see the color of the rock there? All these, it's like nothing but sediment of, you know, hard shell rock, petroleum looking color, and it has a, I'm not gonna say it has an oily smell to it. Well, it does. Oh, it does have oily smell. Oh shoot, yeah, this have to be some kind of underground petroleum area that they probably realized that there was oil down here, or who knows, maybe just like a little vein of petroleum that's left down here. I'm getting this idea. Not probably the smartest one, but I'm gonna try to reach up here to see if I could get somewhere far. Good thing that the cement here is pretty oh cool, a manhole. Oh, that makes sense. Or the nose, the dirt went into my nose. This probably was a small little road area. I could tell by the pavement, the coloring. erosion and all that through time, decided to build this huge draining pipe. A lot of lizard activity out here. Yeah, this should be some sort of road back in the day, and obviously it's not no more, but what's left of it is here. Obviously some steps out there. I had to stop at some point. I already want to go there, but I know there's a lot of snakes out here. Yeah, this was a smaller road. It obviously was abandoned at the time, and now it's just, abandoned. But it will lead back there as a little, probably like a little hangout to see the coast or whatever at this, back in this day, most likely. Gotta be careful here with the holes and the sides, because you never know what pops out. Whoa, what the heck is this? Oh man, this is a tunnel that connects to that pipe. Boom. That makes so much sense. I didn't even know this was here. You have to be very careful. I'm glad they put that branch there. It's like notifying people that it's dangerous and be careful. Pretty much is what it means. So we have some interesting graffiti, and there it is. There's a view of the little trail, the area where all that land just went down to the ocean. Some of it stay there, but you could tell because there's still some structures that are left. Let me go a little further down and see what I can find. People really have to sneak out there, to get that shaggy moat. Okay, going further from here now. It's crazy how it's just very unbalanced, all this area. And the palm tree gives like some kind of interesting look to the whole view. Look at this bird flying really low to the water. That's really cool. Judging by the grass, I was knocked down like this. Something big had to walk through here. It could have been coyotes, could be some other animals. That pretty worried about the whole bigger animals coming down here. And, while I'm all alone and stuff, I'm risking myself just coming down here, to be honest. But that's what I could get right now from this location. You want to see it close, how everything happened, how it stayed that way. There still seems to be a little hole there. People are trying to go in through there, I guess. I know there was piping holes that was connected to the sewage system at the area when the street was still developed, probably to that pipe over there as well. And down here, it's another stretch of land that leads to the coastal area. I'm gonna peek a little bit. I see more. Yeah, that was some steps back then, and I think they were just sealed up for people not to be able to go through this trailing area. See, a lot of the movement here. Now, there's people been coming here lately all the time, or just big animals. But this grass literally moved, disturbed. That's crazy. And out. Well, guys, thank you for joining me today's video. Hope you enjoy that of the view. of this landslide that happened years ago. Heading back now. With so much seeing here at White Point Beach and the landslide area, I mean, I think this might end up being stretched into 2 different videos, to be honest. Check out my other videos that I have posted lately, and especially the old abandoned Ellie Zoo. I did like several videos because those videos were super long, so many footage that I couldn't let go, and I had to put them out. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you watch. I hope you do. I hope you enjoy this, and till the next time, thank you for watching.